Hello and welcome to the channel. This is how to start a print-on-demand business. Starting a print-on-demand POD service business can be an exciting venture. Here's an in-depth guide to help you get started. Understand the print-on-demand model. In a pod business, you offer custom-designed products that are printed and fulfilled on demand. You don't need to hold inventory or handle shipping. Focus on finding a reputable pod provider that offers a wide range of products and reliable printing services. Choose your niche and products. Identify a niche market or target audience for your pod business. Research trends and identify popular product categories such as apparel, accessories, home decor, or stationery. Determine which products align with your target audience's preferences and have potential for high demand. Create designs and artwork. Develop a collection of unique and appealing designs that resonate with your target audience. Consider hiring graphic designers or creating designs yourself using software like Adobe Photoshop or Canva. Ensure your designs are original and follow copyright guidelines. Set up your online store. Create an e-commerce website or use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy to set up your online store. Customize your store's design and layout to showcase your products effectively. Optimize your product listings with compelling descriptions and high-quality images of your designs. Partner with a print-on-demand provider. Research and select a reliable pod provider that offers the products you want to sell. Look for providers that offer high-quality printing, competitive pricing, quick turnaround times, and excellent customer service. Some popular pod providers include Printful, Printify, and Guten. Integrate with your e-commerce platform. Connect your pod provider's API or app with your online store to automate the order fulfillment process. This integration allows orders to be sent directly to the pod provider for printing and shipping. Promote your products. Implement a marketing strategy to drive traffic to your online store and generate sales. Utilize social media platforms, content marketing, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Showcase your designs, engage with your audience, and highlight the unique selling points of your products. Provide excellent customer service. Deliver exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address any issues or concerns, and provide regular updates on order status and shipping. Encourage customers to leave reviews and feedback on your products. Analyze and optimize. Regularly review your sales performance, conversion rates, and customer behavior. Use analytics tools and reports from your e-commerce platform to gain insights into your business. Identify trends, popular designs, and customer preferences to optimize your product offerings and marketing strategies. Expand your product range. As your business grows, consider expanding your product range to attract a wider customer base. Introduce new designs, experiment with different products, and stay updated with emerging trends in the market. Build relationships with designers and influencers. Collaborate with graphic designers to expand your design collection and offer a variety of styles. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products and reach a larger audience. Influencer collaborations can help increase brand awareness and drive sales. Stay compliant and up to date. Stay informed about copyright laws, intellectual property rights, and any regulations related to selling products in your target markets. Regularly update your designs and product listings to ensure compliance with any changing guidelines or requirements. Remember, success in a print-on-demand business requires creativity, strategic marketing, and a focus on customer satisfaction. Continuously update your designs, stay responsive to market trends, and maintain a strong brand presence. Provide high-quality products and exceptional customer service to build a loyal customer base. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.